You're seeing a thin film of oil on the bottom of your engine, and you're wondering if just tightening the oil pan bolts will stop that leak. Yes, carefully retorquing the bolts can often fix a slow weep, but getting it wrong will turn that small problem into a much bigger one. On a higher mileage engine, over 100,000 miles, constant vibration and thousands of heat cycles can make the pan bolts slowly loosen. This happens because steel bolts and an aluminum engine block expand and contract at different rates. This process reduces clamping force, letting the gasket, whether it's cork, rubber, or room-temperature vulcanizing silicone, weep oil. The gasket itself is usually fine, it just needs the pressure reapplied. The most common mistake is grabbing a standard ratchet and cranking down on the bolts. This is the worst thing you can do. Oil pan bolts have extremely low torque specifications, often between 80 and 106 inch-pounds, which is only 7 to 9 foot-pounds. That's barely more than hand-tight. Guessing with a regular wrench almost guarantees you will over-tighten them. When that happens, you create two new problems. First, you'll crush the gasket, squeezing it out from between the engine and pan like toothpaste from a tube. This creates a much larger leak that can't be fixed by tightening. Your only option is a full replacement. Second, you can snap one of those small 10 or 12 millimeter steel bolts off flush inside the aluminum engine block. Getting a broken bolt out requires careful drilling and special extractor tools, turning a simple task into a difficult, high-risk repair. So, let's do this correctly. First, get the exact data for your vehicle. The manufacturer's torque specification in inch-pounds and the correct tightening sequence. This is in the factory service manual. Do not use a generic number, as specs vary widely between engines and pan materials. Next, prepare the area. Use a degreaser to wipe the entire oil pan perimeter and all bolt heads until they are completely clean and dry. Any dirt or oil can affect the torque reading and makes it hard to see if you've actually fixed the leak later. Third, you must use the right tool. A calibrated quarter-inch drive inch-pound torque wrench. A larger foot-pound wrench is not accurate at these low settings and will cause you to over-tighten the bolts. Set your inch-pound wrench to the exact spec you found. Finally, follow the tightening pattern precisely. Most use a spiral or star pattern, starting with the center bolts and working outward, alternating side to side. This pulls the pan up flat and applies even pressure, preventing a warp. Tighten each bolt until the wrench clicks once. Then stop immediately. No extra turns. Skipping these steps is how a 5-minute fix becomes a full gasket replacement. Check the pan again after a week of driving to confirm the fix.